Can you fix Discord microphone not working problem? Well, the answer is yes, and here's how to do so. There are some factors that might be affecting your mic. Might be some factors that are affecting your mic issues with the Discord application. And to fix that, what we want to do is first let's check our internet connection. Swipe down on the control center and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back again. After that, you want to make sure that your internet connection is actually working, and if it is working, you're still facing the problem, that might be your microphone's problem as well, or with the application. You want to simply tap and hold onto the Discord app and tap on this eye icon, also called app info on most devices. Here you want to simply tap on permissions. After that, you want to go to this microphone option, tap on don't allow once, come back from here, tap on microphone again at the bottom, and tap on allow only while using the app. We have disabled and re-enabled our microphone access, and by doing so you shouldn't be facing any kinds of problem again. However, if you're still facing any kinds of problem, you want to simply uninstall the app and install it again to fix the issues. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.